it's Robin, RS Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. Today is day number 9 in the Advent series, and yes, if you've been here for a while, you know I have to look down because I can never remember what day it is. Did I show you guys my flamingo tree shirt at the beginning of this series? I don't think I did. I picked this up on Amazon, so if you guys were here last year, you would have seen it. Little presents down below and all of the flamingos and the star. I thought it popped nicely off of the black. Now I like to purchase an extra large shirt. This has been washed probably like 3 or 4 times now. I only wear it during the Advent series, so just for the time that I'm recording the videos. I'm so afraid I'm going to spill something on it. I don't need to have like ranch dressing or Italian dressing. That would be horrible. So I put it on to do the videos and then I take it off. That way I have it for years to come. But I picked this up on Amazon. It was reasonably priced. If you need an exact link, just let me know. But I basically just looked for flamingo Christmas t-shirts. It does fit to about the exact size. It is a little bit baggier, but I like it. So if you're looking for something that's more of a slim fit, I'm actually a size large t-shirt, but I don't like to wear my t-shirts super tight. Just to give you guys an idea, I know it's hard to purchase things online, so this gives you a little bit of an idea. So it fits me like any other extra large t-shirt that I purchase. And it's done really well. I don't believe I put it in the dryer. I usually take it out and let it hang up and dry just so nothing gets damaged. Now let's actually get to the opening of the Advent. So today 9, yes, I looked again, I know. It's fabric. It's 1/8 of a quarter of a yard. It's fabric because it bends, so we know it's not a notebook or pens or anything like that. Now, I'm thinking it's 1/4 of a yard, and let's go with polka dots, and I still haven't seen yellow or orange, have we? Maybe it's black to match my shirt today. I used Dollar Tree tape on mine, and I think my friend might have used something a little stronger, or her Dollar Tree tape is better than mine. Oh, it's more greens, and it's got, now I like this because this is Christmas green. And it's got the little ivies and everything on it, but you can use this year round. So it's going to be great for the Christmas stash. Oh, my friend, I am so slow, aren't I? Oh, my friend, you are amazing, and I am just a little bit dense sometimes. Dear patrons, we are doing the Christmas stars quilt along next year, and I told my friend I was looking for reds and greens, and I wasn't able to find what I wanted here locally. So I switched over to like pinks and fabrics with Christmas designs and black on the background. So my friend all along has been sending me fabrics to use for my project, and I didn't realize it. Dear friend, please forgive me for my slow brain, because sometimes I just don't know what's going on. Did I send you something nice, or was my brain working slow today too? Let's find out. On Crazy Crafty Creative Friends Advent Day number 9, we have 2 of these, what I think is called toile piece of fabric, and then another vacuum storage bag, because you can't have just one. Take me for what I am. This is who I am. There's so many things that just fill my brain that I never think of things like myself, like what I might need or something. I just think, oh, my friend just found something that's perfect for me. She did a great job. She did a great job because she was buying exactly what I had asked for or mentioned in conversations. That's the thing with the Friends Advent. You have to listen to your friend throughout the year and know what they want or need, or they're just going, oh, that's really pretty. Sometimes when you tell a husband, oh, that's really pretty, they go and buy it, but it's not what you wanted, it's just really pretty. I don't know about you guys, but I had that problem with my husband. He's just bought whatever I said, oh, that's pretty. So I had to be careful, because if I said something was pretty, it was coming home with us, and I'd see it underneath the Christmas tree. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you tomorrow.